Domestic violence is a serious social and legal issue in India. To protect victims, India enacted a special law called the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005. This law is commonly known as the Domestic Violence Act. Domestic violence does not only mean physical assault. The law defines domestic violence in a broad manner. It includes physical abuse, emotional abuse, verbal abuse, sexual abuse, and economic abuse. Physical abuse includes causing bodily harm or injury. Emotional or verbal abuse includes insults, humiliation, threats, or constant harassment. Economic abuse may include preventing a woman from accessing financial resources, money, or property. The law applies to women who are in a domestic relationship. This includes wives, mothers, sisters, daughters, and even women in live-in relationships. Under this act, a woman has the right to seek protection orders from the court. The court can restrain the accused from committing further acts of violence. The court can also grant residence orders, ensuring that the woman cannot be forcibly removed from her shared household. Monetary relief may be granted for medical expenses, loss of earnings, or maintenance. The court can also grant custody orders for children. Protection officers are appointed to assist victims in filing complaints. A woman can approach the magistrate directly or file a complaint through a protection officer or police station. Domestic violence cases are handled in a summary and time-bound manner. The purpose of the law is to provide immediate civil relief and protection. It is important to understand that domestic violence is not a private matter, it is a legal offense. The law exists to ensure safety, dignity, and protection within the home. Understanding this law helps victims seek help without fear. Violence inside the home is not justified under any circumstance. Know your rights. Understand your responsibilities.